asking our co-workers random question part 3.
What's the biggest lesson you learned working at Rockstar?
We should never give up on doing the things that we love. When I started working here, there are numerous instances wherein I got tired, wherein I became exhausted. But since I love doing my job, I love doing what am I doing, then the word giving up is no longer in my vocabulary.
Don't fear failure. Because failure is life created equal. Failure helps me to grow and not only in my career but also in my personality.
Here at Rockstar, what are the lessons I learned that it's important to value our hard work and dedication. Being a reliable and committed employee makes me realize that it can help you gain the respect and trust of your coworkers and superiors. Can also lead to opportunities for career advancement. And ways of doing things can help you stay ahead of the curve. Thank you.